Are you tired of spending countless hours trying to make your ebook look professional? Let me show you how to knock out a stunning, polished design in record time. In this video, I'll share quick and effective design tips that will save you time and make your ebook stand out from the competition. Whether you're a beginner or just want to streamline your process, these tips are guaranteed to help you deliver a knockout design without breaking a sweat. Let's dive in. Why design matters, just like a boxer's first impression in the ring can set the tone for the entire fight. Your ebook's design creates a powerful first impression for your readers. A professional design not only grabs attention, but also builds trust and credibility. It shows that you've put effort into delivering a quality product, which keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to dive deeper into your content. Remember, a well-designed ebook isn't just about looking good. It's about delivering a seamless and enjoyable reading experience. A good design isn't just about aesthetics. It's a tool that directly impacts your credibility, engagement, and even sales. When your ebook looks polished and professional, it instantly builds trust with your audience, showing them that your content is worth their time. A clean and visually appealing layout keeps readers engaged, making it easier for them to absorb your message without distractions. And let's not forget the sales factor. A well-designed ebook is more likely to attract buyers and leave a lasting impression that encourages repeat customers. In short, great design is a win-win for you and your audience. Use high-quality free resources. One great way to enhance your ebook design without breaking the bank is to use high-quality free resources. There are amazing websites like Unsplash, Pexels, or Flaticon where you can find free stock photos, vector images, and icons. These resources offer professional quality visuals that can really elevate the look of your ebook. For example, if you need a stunning image for your cover or eye-catching icons for your chapters, these sites have you covered, all without costing you a dime. This not only helps keep your design budget-friendly, but it also gives your ebook a polished, professional feel by incorporating top-tier visuals. Time-saving design tips. Let's dive into some time-saving design tips that will help you create a professional-looking ebook in no time. First up, start with a template. Platforms like Canva, Adobe Spark, and even Microsoft Word offer pre-made templates that can save you hours of work. These templates are designed by professionals and can easily be customized to fit your content, so you don't have to start from scratch. Next, keep it simple. When it comes to design, less is often more. Stick to clean, easy-to-read fonts and minimalist layouts to keep your ebook visually appealing without overwhelming the reader. Avoid cluttering the pages with too many images or text boxes. Simplicity ensures that your message stands out, making it easier for your audience to engage with your content. Consistent formatting. One of the most important time-saving tips is consistent formatting. Set up styles for headings, body text, and bullet points right from the start. This might seem like a small step, but it can save you hours of manual formatting later on. When you use consistent styles, every page in your ebook automatically looks uniform, giving it a polished, professional feel. No more going back and adjusting each page individually. Once you've set your styles, everything stays consistent, and you can focus on your content rather than formatting. Use tools for quick edits. Another great tip is to use tools for quick edit. There are plenty of powerful tools out there that can streamline your editing and design process. For instance, tools like Grammarly can help you quickly spot and fix any text errors, ensuring your content is clear and professional. When it comes to design, color palette generators can help you choose cohesive color schemes that look great across your ebook, saving you time from trial and error. These tools allow you to focus on the content and layout, making sure everything is polished without wasting time on the finer details. Leveraging AI design tools. One of the best ways to save time and enhance your ebook design by leveraging AI design tools. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you generate content quickly, whether it's brainstorming ideas, drafting text, or refining your writing. On the design side, platforms like Jasper or Figma can provide you with design suggestions layout ideas, and even color schemes tailored to your content. These AI-powered tools speed up the entire process by automating tasks that would normally take hours, leaving you with more time to focus on the big picture and ensuring your ebook looks polished and professional. Automate repetitive tasks. One effective way to save time while designing your ebook is to automate repetitive tasks. Many design tools like Canva offer features that let you automate things such as resizing images, adjusting margins, and formatting text. For example, Canva allows you to create reusable templates. So once you've designed one page with your preferred layout, style, and font, you can apply the same design to multiple pages with just a click. This means you can focus more on the creative aspects of your ebook, like content and layout, instead of micromanaging every little detail on each page. Automating these tasks streamlines your workflow and saves you precious time. Organize your design elements. When working on your ebook design, one of the best time-saving strategies is to organize your design elements, things like images, fonts, and color palettes, into folders or a designated design system. By doing this, you ensure that all your assets are neatly stored and easily accessible. For example, if you need to make last-minute changes to an image or update your font choices, having everything organized will allow you to quickly pull up the specific items you need. This not only saves time, but also keeps your workflow smooth, preventing the frustration of searching through folders or redoing work. A well-organized system means you can focus more on the creative process and less on the technical hassle. Design your ebook with Kotobi. When it comes to creating visually stunning ebooks, Kotobi Author can provide you with a comprehensive set of design tools and features. It gives you full control over the design of your ebook, allowing you to craft a unique reading experience for your audience. You can easily customize the ebook's appearance by selecting from a wide range of pre-designed templates or by creating your own design from scratch. As for those seeking professional assistance, Kotobi also offers a dedicated ebook designing service. By collaborating with experienced designers, you'll be able to bring your vision to life. From concept development to the final design touches, Kotobi ensures that your ebook stands out with its aesthetics and functionality. Bonus tip. Here's a pro tip that will really save you time in the long run. Save your design elements, logos, headers, icons, and any other frequently used graphics as reusable assets. By organizing these elements into a folder or library, you can easily access them whenever you create a new ebook or design project. This means you won't have to recreate or search for them every time, and your design process will be much faster. The next time you start a new project, everything you need will be right at your fingertips, making the design process twice as efficient. Those were my top tips to create a professional ebook design without wasting time. By starting with templates, keeping things simple, maintaining consistent formatting, using quick editing tools, and leveraging AI for design suggestions, you can streamline your design process and create an ebook that looks polished and professional in no time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more design hacks, and drop a comment below letting me know.